The Wealtec GES and Mini GES gel electrophoresis system are the submerged horizontal Agarose gel systems that comprise comprehensive Agarose gel casting tools and a robust and durable buffer chamber. Before casting an Agarose gel, determine the amount of Agarose powder and electrophoresis buffer volume required to make the appropriate percent Agarose gel. Add buffer and the pre-measured Agarose powder in a suitable container and swirl to prevent clumps. Boil and swirl the solution until all of the small translucent Agarose particles are dissolved. Set aside the solution and cover the container to prevent evaporation. Allow the Agarose solution to cool to around 60 degrees Celsius before pouring. While waiting for the Agarose gel solution to cool, assemble the gel tray with dam's claws. Level the gel casting tray on a level surface using the leveling bubble. Align the claws on the 2 anchor points on each side of the gel tray. Fasten the lock plates and lock the unit in place. Repeat it again to assemble the gel casting tray with 2 dam's claws attached in place. Place the gel casting tray on a level surface prior to pouring the Agarose gel solution. Pour the Agarose gel solution into the gel casting tray and place the combs. Allow the solution to solidify at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Disassemble the dam's claws by pressing the joints of the claws on both sides. Place the gel tray in the buffer chamber and pour the electrophoresis buffer 3 to 5 mm over the surface of the gel. Do not exceed the maximum level labeled on the buffer chamber. Slowly remove the comb. Prepare DNA samples for sample loading. Please refer to the manual for the maximum sample loading volumes for different types of combs used. Place the lid on the buffer chamber. The GES and Mini GES lids can only close in one orientation correctly. Match the red and black jacks with the power supply. Set the appropriate power parameters and run the gel.
Important notice: how to lift the lid. Press the unidirectional peg with your thumb. Lift the lid vertically. Avoid forcing the lid open. Important notice: how to pick banana plus. Push from the black bottom, not top of electrode.